Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted object from your photo using InShot editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the photo, and for example, I'm going to remove this emoji from this photo. If you want to remove something from your photo guys, you can use the remove object feature, this one. Just tap on remove, and here you can choose basic or advanced. And if you want to use advanced, you need to subscribe to InShot. So here I'm just going to use the basic, and you can adjust the size of the brush right here, and you can brush the object that you want to remove. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the emoji has been removed from my photo, and you can also erase the brush. And I know guys, this method can't be applied to all types of photo, especially when the photo has complex object. It will be more difficult to remove the object. The emoji can be removed clearly because as you can see that the background is solid, so it will be easier for us. And I'm going to show you guys the manual way to remove unwanted object. Wait, let me undo it. Okay, I'm going to overlay it with the original photo, so we can go to the PIP menu, and I'm going to make it full screen. Okay, like this, and then we're going to use mask, and I'm going to choose the circle mask, and we can take another part of the photo to cover the unwanted object. Then you can drag the mask like this, and to make it more natural, you can adjust the feather. Wait, okay, this is the feather. You can also adjust the intensity, the light intensity, the brightness, to make it more natural. Okay, and the emoji has been removed from my photo. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove unwanted object from our photo using InShot editor app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.